UNgqongqoshe ubehlonipha izisebenzi zezempilo ezisebenze ngokuzikhandla njengoba siya ngokwanda isibalo sabahaqwa iCovid-19 kuleli. Zingaphezulu kweinkulungwane ezingama-33 izisebenzi zezempilo ezisuleleke ngaleli gciwane, kanti sekshone ezingama-439.
Every time a healthcare worker is infected with COVID, we lose at least 10 days of labor, so desperately needed this time. We may lose these precious resources for much longer if they all become ill and need to be treated and isolated for longer.
eNorthern Cape umndeni wowesifazane wokuqala owabulawa yilesi sifo kulesi sifundazwe nawo ukhanyise amakhandlela ukukhumbula bonke asebephangalele ngenxa yeCovid-19. uNomehlale Mkala wagula isikhathi esifushane nje ebuya ukuyovakasha eEastern Cape. Umndeni wakhe wamisa esibhedlela wafike washonela khona. Umndeni uthi isicelo sikaMengameli sokuthi kukhanyiswe amakhandlela phakathi kwamabili silekelele ekupholiseni amanxeba.
We really appreciate the idea of candle lighting from our president. We also thank those who supported us during this time. We feel better now and we feel that they care about us.
eLimpopo undonankulu wesifundazwe uStan Mathabatha kanye nowengamele ezempilo esifundazweni uPhophi Ramathuba banxuse abantu ukuthi bakhanyise amakhandlela ukubonga umsebenzi osuwenziwe yizisebenzi zezempilo ukunqanda ukubhebhetheka kwaleli gciwane kanye nokukhumbula labo asebephangalele ngenxa yalo. Zingaphezulu kwama-80 izisebenzi zezempilo esezihaqwe iCovid-19 eLimpopo. uRamathuba uthi lokhu kwenza ukuthi kube nzima ukusebenza njengoba lesi sifundazwe sentula izinsiza kusebenza.
Today we've got 83 healthcare workers in this province who are not at work, who are at home in isolation. And guess what? It means if I go on isolation, it means there's a gap. And in the Department of Health, we don't have that thing to say when you are on sick leave or maternity leave, we appoint somebody temporary to come and cover for you. The ones that are remaining must be able to share that job.
Kumanje ziyishumi nanye izisebenzi zezempilo esezidlule emhlabeni lapha ngenxa yeCovid-19.